Hello everyone on YouTube, it's Tate the lawn cutting and rail fanning musician, and look what just came. And we're going to unbox it, and we're going to see what is inside. So let me go ahead and set up the camera. Move it around like this. There we go. Move it in just a bit closer. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Let's sit right here, and we'll start opening this. Hope y'all can see that, but there it is. Turn around this way. Alright. Awesome. Oh, look at that, YouTube. Look what just came. Also has a set of instructions here. So there it is. Ooh, nice, sleek design. It's a nice, sleek design. It's got the USB charging port, so I will have to charge it in order to use it, but there it is. It's got the, oh, look at it, YouTube. It is cyan. That is awesome. Alright, well, you know what? Oh, it's awesome. It vibrates, too. That's awesome. That is just awesome. There's the power button right there, and there's actually a little selector button right here that allows you to adjust, put it on the different setting that you want. But there it is. There is my new Zonic brush. I also have this, it comes with the charging cable and a set of instructions. So it has your little instruction set right here. That's what it says right there. If I have the book upside down, just tell me. But it's pretty much right there. That is it right there. This is the box it came in. Alright, YouTube, there it is. And there's the Zonic. Oh, it's got. So this is the cyan version. We will turn it up, and we will see what it looks like. Turn up the intensity on this guy. And then I'll turn off the monster bar. And we'll let y'all see what it looks like with the different colored lighting. So, I'll go ahead and set this down, and we'll turn the monster bar off and look at it under the light. Almost. There's white. Go ahead and turn it off. There we go. It's off. Alright, here it is. Now we're just going to look at it with the regular bulb. Here it is on white light. It looks like it's normal cyan color. If y'all can see in the camera, there it is. Red light kind of makes it look kind of like magenta, which is pretty cool. Green light, you can definitely see the cyan a little bit, but it looks more like a dark green or aquamarine. Blue light, this is what it looks like. Definitely looks more dark blue. Yellow light, now with yellow, because cyan and yellow and pigments make green, so it kind of looks more green. Magenta, that's what they look like. Kind of has a red and blue. Looks more like a blue color. You know how cyan and magenta make blue in pigments, and then the color perception of magenta, cyan, which there it is, looks uniform with the cyan light. Let me turn that up a little bit. It's up all the way, but there it is, YouTube. There is my new Zonic brush. It is awesome. Just came in, and thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I will be doing more videos of RGB and I'll do a demonstration of the Zonic brush in another video. But there it is. We'll put the monster bar back on cyan. Oop, we'll do a magenta. and cyan. Alright, YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this video, and hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, thank you for 200 subscribers. And please like the video, share the video, subscribe. It's awesome.